How to dye your hair naturally with coffee. Are you trying to dye your hair? Today, in some few minutes, I will be revealing to you how to dye your hair naturally with coffee. If you are new here, consider subscribing to our channel so that you won't miss other interesting videos like this, and you will also be notified whenever we upload a new video. Not many know this, but coffee has been used as a natural hair dye for a very long time. Dyeing your hair is not always an easy choice to make, especially considering the heavy chemicals often present in the dyes used in salons and home kits. Luckily, you can darken your hair naturally using coffee. This method is especially ideal for expecting mothers or people who want a less permanent coloring. All you need is some coffee and conditioner. Coffee can turn your light hair darker or give your naturally dark hair a healthy glow. Dyeing hair is common, and most people have done this at least once in their lifetime. Likewise, most people drink coffee, so why not use that coffee and make a hair dye with natural ingredients? It is important to note that dyeing your hair naturally sometimes does not last as long. However, it is equally important to note that this method of coloring your hair does not do damage to your hair. It can even strengthen it. There are over 5,000 different chemicals used in unnatural hair dyes, per the National Cancer Institute. Many of these chemicals are known to cause cancer. However, coffee is a completely natural product that not only will not cause damage but will also benefit your hair. When using the all-natural coffee mixture, your hair will have the proper shine and shade. This mixture also helps grow your hair more quickly, per a study that was published in the 2007 issue of International Journal of Dermatology. How to use coffee to dye your hair. Method number 1: dyeing your hair with coffee and conditioner. 1. Brew some coffee. Brew about 1 to 2 cups 240 to 470 milliliters of organic coffee. The coffee should be organic, because non-organic coffees usually have added chemicals and preservatives. Be sure to use a dark roast coffee or espresso. This will help make sure your hair will darken with the coffee. Make this brew strong, by adding a little bit more coffee than 1 to 2 cups 240 to 470 milliliters calls for. 2. Mix the coffee with conditioner. You can use any kind of conditioner to mix with the coffee. However, thicker conditioners might make application easier. Mix 1 cup 240 milliliters of the brewed coffee with 2 tablespoons 30 milliliters of conditioner and 2 tablespoons 30 milliliters of the organic coffee grounds. Use a spoon to mix all of these ingredients together. If you have longer hair, you can increase the quantity of coffee and conditioner used. The exact measurements are not a rule, but more so a guide. You can brew the coffee however you want, a drip coffee maker, on the stove, but brewing your coffee in a single-serve instant coffee maker might not brew the coffee as strongly as it should be to adequately dye your hair. Let the coffee cool and use it when it is completely cooled, or lukewarm. 3. Apply the mixture to your hair. Apply this mixture to your hair using your hands, and consider using a wide-toothed comb to spread the mixture evenly through your hair. Once you have added all of the mixture to your hair, consider pinning your hair up in a bun to keep your hair out of your face as you let the mixture soak in. Leave this mixture on your hair for at least an hour. After an hour, the conditioner may start to dry and harden. Apply this coffee mixture to your hair in a bathroom with a mirror so you can contain any mess and see what you're doing. Drape an old towel, one you don't mind getting messy, over your shoulders. This will prevent any of the coffee mixture from falling on your clothes and staining the fabric. 4. Rinse your hair. Rinse the coffee and conditioner mixture out of your hair in the shower. Don't add shampoo, simply let the water clean out the mixture from your hair. You may need to repeat this dyeing process a couple times to reach your desired results. Method number 2, dyeing your hair with a coffee rinse. 1. Shampoo your hair. Wash your hair with some shampoo. You want to work with clean hair free of oils and hair products. 2. Brew coffee. Brew about 2 cups 470 milliliters of strong, organic coffee. It may help to brew 2 cups 470 milliliters of coffee, since you will be pouring the coffee over your head as a rinse. The more coffee, the easier it will be to pour on your hair. Allow your coffee to cool down to room temperature, or even cooler. 3. Transfer the coffee to a large container. Once your coffee is brewed, pour the coffee into a large bowl or pot. Essentially, you need a large enough container to hold the coffee so you can scoop it up to pour on your hair, and also to collect the falling coffee as you hold your head over the container and pour the coffee on your hair. 4. Rinse your hair with the coffee. Place the large bowl or pot into the shower and hold your head over the bowl. You can dunk your hair into the bowl, and use a small cup to scoop up coffee and pour it over the rest of your hair. This will be especially helpful to reach the back of your head, which will be unable to be dipped all the way into the coffee. Pour coffee over your hair approximately 15 times. This will make sure your hair gets completely saturated with the coffee. Wring out your hair, and allow the coffee to sit on your hair for about at least 20 minutes to a few hours. It may help to pin your hair up in a bun to prevent the coffee from dripping. Alternatively, you can pour the brewed coffee into a spray bottle and spray your hair. Either way, be sure to cover as much of your hair as possible with the coffee. 5. Rinse your hair clean. After you have let the coffee sit on your hair, rinse out the coffee with water in the shower. You may need to soak your hair with coffee a few more times in order to achieve your desired hair color. Rinsing your hair with apple cider vinegar may help the coffee color last longer. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends and click the subscribe button never to miss any updates from us. More amazing secrets and tips will keep coming. Join us on the healthy side of life. Look at your screen now to see 2 other videos we have handpicked for you to enjoy next. Stay healthy.